Welcome to this new section in Power BI, that is, Advanced Charts or Advanced Visuals in Power BI. We have seen how to create basic charts and basic maps in Power BI, but there are so many visuals. There are approximately 250 plus charts outside Power BI. Those are developed by third-party companies. Those charts you can import in Power BI and create some visuals. So in this section, I'll be showing you 10 different charts in Power BI which you can import from third party, that is app source, and you can create the charts. Now, what are those charts is given here. We'll see animated bar chart rates, drill down donut chart, drill down column charts. So column chart and donut charts you have seen, but if you want to see some drilling down, and you can use the drill down column and donut chart. We have word cloud, Sankey charts, infographic play, axes, and scroller. If you try to create this kind of visuals in some other tool, let's say Tableau for example, if you want to create a sunburst chart or some other chart, let's say Sankey, it is very difficult. There you have to write some calculations, some other things, and then you can create those charts. But here, just using button clicks, you can create those different charts. And lastly, we'll see how to create a sunburst and a histogram. Okay, there are some advantages and some limitations on each and every chart. To bring this chart, you need to have an account on Power BI, okay? So that you can sign up, and then you can create an account and import the charts. You cannot create an account if you have a Google, that is Gmail, Yahoo, or Hotmail email ID. You need to have any corporate company email ID or university email ID. Only then you can create an account and import those charts. How to create an account I've shown in the next video. So, creating is very simple. You can go to these three dots in the visuals, click on Get More Visuals, and here the first thing it will ask you for, username and password. So you have to sign up. Let me show you that here. If I click on three dots, Get More Visuals, and here if you see, you need to enter the email ID and password. If you are a beginner, if you're looking for the first time, you have to click on this button. Need a Power BI account? Try for free. As I said, you need a corporate email account, not Gmail, Yahoo, or Hotmail. You need some company email ID like info, sys, bajaj.com, at facebook.com, at linkedin.com, and then you can create an account. And here, then you can keep on importing the visuals and create this. So, let us see practically how to create those advanced charts in Power BI. Let us see how to create animated bar chart rates. For animated bar arrays, this chart is not present by default in Power BI's desktop application. If you see in this place, you'll not find that animated bar chart. So we have to import it from third party. I'm going to say as app source website. So from there, you can pull that chart in Power BI, and then you can create it. To pull that chart, you need to have a Power BI account. Only then you can import that. So first of all, I'll just click on this three dots. Click on this button, Get More Visuals, and here you have to enter your email ID and password. Now, if you do not have an account, you can click on this button here. That is, need a Power BI account? Try for free. But the condition is you cannot create an account with your Gmail ID or Yahoo or Hotmail or any other email ID. You need to have a corporate email ID or a university email ID. So corporate, I mean to say, some company you're working with their email ID, or I can say some university where you're studying or which you have. But you cannot use Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail, these email IDs. So I have one email ID which I'll be using to log in, and I'll enter the email ID, click on sign in, and I'll enter the password. So there are some other ways also if you do not have the email ID, which I'll be showing you very soon. So after entering the email ID and password, now you will get one window over here. This window will tell you that you can pick up these charts from Power BI Visuals and App Source. So they also have a website. From there, you can download these charts. So right now, you can see there are different categories of charts which are present. Okay, different categories of charts. So I'll show you each chart from each category over here. Now I can search for animated and press enter. Now I can just click on this add button here. So one thing, if you notice, there are some charts where there's a blue tick mark over here. This blue tick mark tells you that these are Power BI certified. They have been tested by Microsoft and they are compatible with other features of Power BI. If there is no blue tick mark, that means they are not yet certified. Very soon, maybe in the future, they might get certified. So here as well, you can see the ratings of those visuals: 4-star, 5-star, 3-star. And based on that, you can use in your visualization. So I'll just click on this add button, and that particular animated bar chart rate would be added. You see this one. This is animated bar chart. So in future, whichever chart I add, that will be visible here. So I'll click on this animated bar chart, try to resize it. Here I can pick up subcategory into name. Now these are different fields. If you observe, these are different fields like name, value, period. So I'll guide you in how to create. To subcategory, sales. If you remember, we have created for bar chart, subcategory sales. Here, an extra field I'll add, that is order date. Drag this order date and drop into period. So here comes your animated bar chart arrays. Okay. This chart you might have seen on Facebook, on LinkedIn, or some different websites. They show you the trend which is going on from a few years for different companies. Many examples you can see. But one thing, if you observe, the speed is very fast and we are not able to read properly what is going on. And also, if you see, there is number 22 written at the bottom. Let me tell you, it will go till 30, 31. So you can see it has reached 31. Why 31? Because there are 31 days in a month. So it is giving you the overall 31 days data here. So normally people don't see by days. They only see by years. So I can just click on this cross button, click on this cross button and cross. So I'll just keep only years.